Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to reset Spotify settings on Windows. First, open the Spotify app on your computer. Now click your profile picture at the top and select Settings. Spotify does not have a single Reset Settings button, so we need to manually return the available settings to their normal or default options. First, check the Audio Quality section. If you previously changed the audio quality settings, select the standard option you want to use. Next, check the playback section. If you changed any playback settings, return them to your preferred default settings. You can also check other available options in settings and undo any changes that you previously made. After changing the settings, close Spotify completely. Now open Spotify again and check if everything is working normally. If you're still having problems and want to start fresh, you can reinstall Spotify. To do this, open Windows Settings from the Start menu. Select Apps, then click Installed Apps. Search for Spotify and click the three dots next to it. Select Uninstall and remove Spotify from your computer. After that, install the latest version of Spotify again and sign in to your account. This gives you a fresh Spotify installation and can help resolve problems caused by incorrect settings or app issues. So there is no single reset button on Spotify desktop. Instead, you can restore the settings manually or reinstall the app for a fresh setup. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.